in charge of communications and broadcasting of the Bodhi School. This is a special program wherein we facilitate the skills needed for mass communications as a vocational course. Watch Master Arya. He is debuting his first news in our BBC channel. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Arya Vihan from the Bodhi Tree School. Today's headlines. The Bodhi Tree School resumed on 19th of June. The 4 houses of the school have been divided on 6th July 2023. The Bodhi Tree School Selections Commissioner has announced school council elections on 10th of July and received nominations on 13th of July. Candidates for the school council declared the manifesto on 15th of July. The school council election was held at Bodhi Tree School on 22nd of July. Declaration of results was on 23 July 2023. The investiture ceremony will be held on 15th August 2023 in the presence of Mrs. Ponala Anita, the daughter of late MP Kotagiri Vidyadhar Rao. The Bodhi Tree School was opened on 19th of June. The Bodhi Tree aspires to be adaptable, resourceful and far more resilient in order to manage the unique education techniques as school reopens after long summer vacations. The houses of the school have been divided on 6th July 2023. Our principal ma'am, with the help of PET, has divided school into subunits called houses, and each student allocated one house at the moment of enrollment. Houses may compete with one another at sports and may be in another ways. Bodhis has 4 houses, namely Sapphire, Opal, Emerald, Coral. Each house has its captain and deputy captain. The Bodhi Tree School Election Commission has announced school council elections on 10th of July and received nomination on 13th of July. On the day of nominations, all the nominees came with overwhelming enthusiasm to submit their nominations. On receiving the nominations, the election commissioner exhorted the school council nominees to prepare their manifesto. After nominations, all the contestants have prepared their manifesto on the advice of election commissioner. The candidates who are to contest for the council put forward their manifesto in the morning assembly, as it helps students to share ideas, insert interests and concerns with their fellow students and teachers. They also promote their candidature by canvassing for themselves. The elections for the Students' Council was held at Bodhi Tree Schools on 22nd July 2023. The Election Commission has carefully managed all the arrangements under the guidance of Principal Ma'am. Polling officers and volunteers have been appointed for smooth functioning of the polling section. Principal Ma'am said the objective of appointing the council is to provide a platform to students to develop leadership qualities by organizing and carrying out school activities and service projects. She added, the student council is the voice of the student body. They help to share student ideas, interests and concerns with the school community. The results of the student council election were declared by our principal ma'am Salyosha Rao in the auditorium. Principal ma'am felicitated and congratulated the newly elected members of the council. She advised the chosen team to be role models for other students and discharge their duties in a responsible manner. The investiture ceremony will be held on 15th August 2023 in the presence of Mrs. Anita, the daughter of late MP Sir Kotagiri Vidyadhar Rao. There would be great enthusiasm as the young students are prepared to put on the mantle of leadership and take up the responsibilities entrusted upon them by the school. They will be taking the oath that they commence their roles from 15th of this month. Let's recap the news. The Bodhi school resumed on 19th of June. The 4 houses of this school have been divided on 6th July 2023. The Bodhi School Election Commissioner has announced school council elections on 10th of July and received nominations on 13th of July. Declaration of the manifesto by the candidates was held on 15th of July. The investiture ceremony will be held on 15th August 2023 in the presence of Mrs. Ponala Anita, the daughter of late MP Kotagiri Vidyadhar Rao Sir at Bodhi School. Thank you. Stay tuned to BBC.